Hello there, data boys and data girls. Today on episode 4 of Database Weekend, we're taking business rules to Venn diagrams to SQL. We're doing the like operator and we're learning about aggregate functions. Take them away.
So I have a pretty big issue on my hands. I have a Mac and I'm in MIS now, so I'm thinking about getting a PC. But I really like music. So I want to figure out all of the songs that I have in iTunes that I don't have access to in Spotify. So now we're going to move from the tables to a Venn diagram. So we're going to still represent our tables as iTunes and Spotify. So like I said earlier, I want all of my iTunes songs, but I also want the ones in Spotify that match, so I'll know that I have them in both places. And if they don't match, it'll probably return null, which will let me know that I need to find a way to get that song in my new computer. What you call a left outer join. So this is going to return all the data from the left table, iTunes, and only the data from the right table, Spotify, that matches with the primary key foreign key relationship. So now let's write a query to return these results. But I'm not very good at that. Let me think about it. Hey Lindsay, are you still good at writing queries? Alright, can you come help me? Thanks.
Hey Wes, did you call?
Yeah.
Oh, what do you need me to do?
Talk SQL to me. Talk SQL to me.
Okay, so this is the query explaining the information that we needed. So we're going to select the song title and song artist from iTunes, left outer join Spotify on iTunes ID equals Spotify.id. Because you see here, the iTunes ID and the Spotify ID is what is linking the two tables together.
Thanks, Lindsay. I think I understand now, but this is an explicit join, right?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, so what does an implicit join look like?
I will give you an example. Here you go, Wes. So this is an implicit join. So in this instance, we're going to do same select statement, so song title and song artist, but this time the from statement's a little bit different. So we're going to say the two tables separated by a comma, and then where the iTunes ID equals Spotify.iTunes ID, just like on the on statement.
Okay, so the major difference is you don't use the word join, right?
Yeah, exactly. So in this instance, we just use where to make it just like the on statement above.
So you're explicitly saying join, so that's the difference.
Exactly.
Okay, perfect. But how do you know which song title and song artist is being selected from? Is it from iTunes or Spotify?
Good question, I completely forgot. So in this instance, we would have, if we ran this query, it would throw an error. So in this instance, what we're going to have to do is specify which table it's going to come from. So let's just say this is from the iTunes table. So we'll just insert right here, iTunes dot song title, and do the same thing before song artist. iTunes dot song artist.
Okay, I think I've seen that error. That's the ambiguous error, right?
Exactly.
Okay, perfect. Shouldn't have those anymore.
Well, before we go, folks, there's one more thing we have to cover. The like operator. Common mistake. Let's go over to Kate's Corner.
Alright, welcome to Kate's Corner. So this week we're going to be talking about the like operator, okay? So for example, we're going to select all movies that contain, that's important, the genre comedy, right? So here you have your SQL query, okay? Pretty basic, very simple to write. And then we go through and we can walk through it, select movie title from movies, where movie genre like. Not equals. If you put equals, it will not run. Alright, so looking at the percent sign, right now we've got comedy in the middle. So that means that it's gonna show something like this, romantic, comedy, drama, because it's in the middle. Makes sense, right? So if we take the percent sign on the back away, you're gonna have a word before comedy, so you'll get romantic comedy. So basically the same thing. Take away the first, you're gonna get comedy drama. It's easy. You got it. Come to Ames. Work. Love the program.
Wow, great job, Kate. Well, that's all for the 4th episode. And remember, if you can't speak the language, just talk sequel to me.